So over here, you can see that I have a blank Google Slides presentation. So what I want to do now is, let's say, for example, insert a table. So in order to do that, I'm going to go around and click on Insert. And once I do that, you can see Table is an option right here. So I can just go around over here, and here you can see that by default it's one by one table, that is, there's one column and one row. But if I were to do this, then there'll be two columns right here, that is 2 by 1 table will be created. So I can just go around and graphically select the amount of rows and columns as I want. As I scroll around, that is, as I move my mouse around, you can see that it increases the amount of rows and columns that I can select. So it's not just limited to 5 by 5. I'm just going to go around and select, let's say, 4 by 2 right here. Once I do that, you can see that table is here. So I can go ahead and resize this out right here and place it wherever I want. And that is how you can insert table to start working with it. So I'm just going to go around, and here you can type in some data. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say SN product, and I'm going to say something like price and something, let's say, for example, like total right here, or discount maybe. So discount right here, and I can select all of these, press B, Control B to bold it out. So that's how you can insert table and start working with it inside of Google Slides. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.